All right. We're live once again. Today is Thursday, August 14th. It's 7:23. Market opens in about 10 minutes, give or take. But yeah. So today we are starting the day off with 52.11. So yesterday, I took a trade and it was a solid trade. It did end up working better than I didn't. So I ended up taking out early, even though I low key should have waited because it ended up going lower, and so I would have hit my TP, which would have been about 500 bucks. But I got out early, and so I only got 150. And then unrecorded, I took another two sessions, another two trades. The first trade I lost 250, and then the second trade I earned 400. So I ended up making an extra 150. So throughout the day, I ended up making 300. So right now we're at 50.2 basically. Um, so all in all, not bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna start charting right now to make this a little easier. All right, so let's see. Let's eliminate all this. Then MNQ2. Okay. Okay. So in the weekly, seems like again we respected this FEG down here, pushed up. Looks like we swept up this high up here. Seems this high up here has been swept. What up? Looks like this high got swept. Possibly might want to come down to this lower FEG. Not sure. As we speak, there is this 1 day sorry the daily FEG getting respected over here. Um yeah. Okay. So I think we were bullish up until yesterday. Seems maybe we might be returning bearish right now, possibly. So let me mark out this FEG right here. So there's a daily FEG right there. I don't know if it really wants to come down all the way down here, but it might be because it seems we have I'm not gonna say it's equal lows, but almost equal lows. There's this once again FEG right here. I don't think it's gonna want to push all the way down here if I'm honest, but you never know. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, so right now it's respecting this FEG. There's this daily down here as well. So I think if anything, what we may be looking at is possibly returning down here, taking out this low right here, and then maybe even respecting this FEG and going back up as a possibility. So what I see maybe wants to do, maybe New York might want to do is take out this, seems to be London right now, London high, take it out, and then come back down, push all the way down towards maybe this FEG down here. Just take out maybe all these lows right here towards this liquidity pool down here. Unless it wants to just return to equilibrium, that's a possibility too. So if I do here, nope, here to here, possibility to return to this point right here, maybe. If we're talking about equilibrium, there might be a possibility. Something to keep in mind. And then, okay, let's look into the 15 minutes. So New York opens at 9:30. Asian opened at 1800s. And London opened at 3 right here. Bam. Okay, so we have London high up here. We have London low down here, which seems to have gotten cooked already nonetheless. Oh, actually, that wouldn't be the London low. The London low would be down here. And then we have, well, Asian high seems to have already gotten swept up anyway, and so did the low anyway. So I don't think we're looking towards much in those regards. I guess technically maybe we can observe this as a possible like high that we might want to reach for up here. Yeah, so I might aim. I'm gonna mark this out as a possibility to sweep up there. And yeah, market opened. Let's see what we're trying to do. Let me just start marking out MNQ as well. See what we have here. Whoa. Very similar. Once again, we still have this weekly FEG that we never tapped into. Also seems we swept up here. Or are sweeping this high. There's this daily FEG down here, and currently expecting a daily FEG here as well. So I'm thinking maybe respects this FEG, pushes up, takes out this high, and then comes back down. Possibly. Possibly towards equilibrium as well. Because now we have this FEG also, this daily FEG in confluence with this equilibrium right here. Okay, that's what I'm looking at right there. So 15 minutes, let's see. So we have New York open, nope. Okay, New York open right there. London open right here. And Asian open right here. Once again, we have, so it seems we have pretty equal highs up here for London and Asian high. It seems it got swept up though, nonetheless. And then we have London low right here. Okay. So I think what I want to see is respect this 1 hour, which also respects this 4 hour, which also respects this daily, push up, possibly take out this London high, and then once this is respected, we could continue to push to the downside towards, at the very least, equilibrium, which would be right here, around this area right here. But it is possible that London already took out this Asian high and then just push down, and what we want to do is continue to push down. So what we might be seeing right now is continuation, possibly. So come back up here, respect this FEG, come back down. Yeah, I think if I were to follow this equilibrium thingamabob, I think that's what we might be wanting to do after taking out that high. I think what I would probably want to see is break past this low. And I don't know if I don't know if there is reason for me to wait till it closes right below this, or if I maybe close below this. Definitely want to close below these lows right here, though. It seems we swept them already, though. So like I said, I think we're going to sweep them, and I think we're going to push down. We're going to come up here, respect the 15 minutes alongside possibly this 1 hour. And technically, we're still respecting this 4 hour right here. But yeah, keep on pushing down. I think the setup would probably look cleaner in MNQ, I think. So I think what I would want to see, I think ideally would be break past this FEG, break past this low. Yeah, so break past this FEG, break past this low, and then ideally I would push down towards, hold up, is it a 4-hour FEG? So it is an unmitigated FEG. It hasn't been tapped into. So I think ideally what I want to see once again would be break past this, aim towards this point right here, which is fairly close to equilibrium as well. And yeah. Yeah, so respecting this 4-hour FEG alongside the daily FEG, pushing back up here, uh, respecting the 4-hour bearish FEG and push back down. Yeah, I think about it. I think London took out its high, and then that's why we see this large move down, create this FEG. Maybe hopefully we see it come up, maybe take out this high and then come down, but maybe not. Maybe it's just enough to just push back down. But I think we're seeing continuation of the bearish momentum in New York's open. I don't know. Price action seems kind of slow as a whole, but perhaps we are looking to go up here. Maybe not sure though. Yeah, I can't really do much. I can't really do much as a whole, but I think I want to say we are. So I think all I know we're technically still bullish, but for today, I think we might be more bearish, possibly. Yeah, I think what I'm waiting for is for it to peak out above this FEG, take out liquidity sitting above it, and then I want to see take out this high and then push to the downside. Break below this low, below this FEG, and yeah, see how MAS is doing. I think what we might see is MNQ might take out that high, and MES won't. Creating SMT. Ugh. So it seems to peeked into this 5 minute FEG here. Um, but yeah, I'm hoping to see it push up here, take it out, and then go down. Oh, it seems to have respected this FEG up here in the 5 minute. I mean, in the 1 minute. Actually, no, not in the 1 minute, but it did respect the one in the 5 minute right here. Might possibly want to tap into this 5 minute FEG, respect it, and come back up, push up. I wonder if I'm looking at possible entry here. Tap in here and then come back up and take out that high, but I don't know. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really see much price action going on right now, to be honest with you. If anything, I only see one possible entry that maybe I could have taken, but like I didn't because it's always hard to tell if it wants to like just dip into the 15-minute FVG, like halfway or all the way, or aim all the way up here, because it might not even come all the way up here. But I guess maybe once I saw push above this high, break above this high too with this candle up here, possibly enter here, right here, stop loss right here, and targeted uh right here. Well, we targeted the 5 minutes, what it was. Target the 5 minute right here. I guess it's the only possible entry I can see maybe, but yeah, no, I don't think I had enough confidence to really take that trade. Huh. Oh, Market seems to be running pretty slow today, honestly. Honestly, as I see price action, I don't really see any trades going on right now or happening anytime soon. Maybe I'll take a trade down the line. Because I don't think I'm gonna see anything right now. Honestly, it's moving really slow, and yeah. Huh. Yeah, it's pretty slow. Yeah, I doubt I'm gonna find any entries. Ah, this is so slow. I'm getting tired just looking at the charts. Oh man. Yeah, nah. Yeah, honestly, I don't see anything going on. It's really slow today. Besides this moving up, which didn't even take out the high, I don't really see much going on. Nah. Uh, hmm. So this is low right here. This failed to take out that low. It took out this low, but failed to take out this low. Then it came down here. Took out. We failed to take out this low as well. Yeah. So we just took liquidity sitting above the FG in the 1 minute. I'm not sure when I don't even know if you want to go back up all the way up here or not, to be honest. What is MES doing? MES is still going up. Even if there may have been some trades in here, I honestly didn't really see any entries per se for myself. So I'm not really upset, to be honest. Yeah, nah. Honestly, I think if I don't see anything by 10:25, I'm just gonna call it for a day. I'll probably keep track of it throughout the day, but I don't really see much going on today, honestly. Uh, It seems to be consolidating a little bit. We have a high, we have a low. I mean, higher low, then a lower high, then a higher low, then a higher high, higher low. I don't know. It's a mess. I just wait till 5 minutes and see what happens. Probably nothing, but I mean, hey, whatever. Uh, um, yeah, I think that's it for today. It's already 10:30. I don't think I'm gonna see anything. Maybe it'll hit up here and then maybe it'll go down, so I'll keep track of it just in case. But yeah, I think that's that. I think that's that pretty much for today. Really slow day. I didn't really see any entries myself, except maybe for that one I mentioned earlier, but that wasn't really like anything I was going to take, to be honest. Um, but yeah, super slow. Hopefully tomorrow's a little bit better. Tomorrow's Friday, but yeah, so catch you guys next time. Deuces.